In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete images from the ChatGPT Library 2026 guide. Let's start by opening ChatGPT on your desktop or mobile device. On desktop, look to the sidebar and click More, then choose Images. On mobile, tap the two-line menu at the top left and select the Images tab. This brings you to your visual workspace. Scroll to the My Images section to see everything you've generated or uploaded. If you manage a lot of visuals, take a moment to scan the thumbnails so you're confident you're in the right place and the right account. Next, find the image you want to remove. Tap or click it to open it in full screen view so you can confirm it's the exact version you intend to delete. At the top right of the image preview, open the menu by selecting the three dots or the information icon. This menu controls what you can do with that specific image. From here, choose Open in Chat. This step is essential. Images in the library are linked to the conversations where they were created or shared, so you can't delete them directly from the gallery. Opening the source chat ensures the image is removed alongside the conversation it belongs to. Once the conversation loads, look to the top right of the chat interface and open the menu with the three dots. Select Delete. You'll be asked to confirm. Choose Delete again. This permanently removes the entire conversation and any images associated with it from your account. If there's anything in that thread you still need, consider copying text or downloading the image beforehand, because once you confirm, it's gone for good. A few important things to keep in mind: deletion is permanent. When you confirm, the conversation and its images are removed from OpenAI servers and can't be recovered. If that single chat contains multiple images, deleting the conversation will clear all of them from your library in one go. After deleting, if the image still appears in My Images, refresh your browser or restart the app to update the view. Caching can make old thumbnails linger for a moment, but they won't open once the deletion is complete. That's the full process. Navigate to Images, open the target picture, jump to its original chat, and delete the conversation to remove the image from your library. Keeping your gallery tidy makes it easier to track your best work and avoids confusion between drafts and final outputs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.